In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very detailed step-by-step routine showing you how to layer your skincare products the right way, the time frame you're going to wait for your next product application, what comes first, what comes last. Some of you are using the right products, the right routine, but you are not applying your skincare products the right way. You are not layering your skincare products the right way. Some of you are applying your sunscreen like moisturizers. Some of you don't even know the right way to use your sunscreen. In this video, I'll be showing you how to layer your skincare products the right way, because that is why your products are not working for you. It is not the products you're using, it is you. You are the problem. So if you're confused with this skincare stuff, you don't know what to use first, you don't know what to use last, this video is for you. I'll be explaining everything you need to know about your skincare application. So please, I advise you to watch this video from start to finish so that you don't miss any important step. And if you find this helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video, share to your family and friends. If you have any question or there was something you didn't understand, please ask them in the comment section. And without further ado, let us jump right into this video. The first step of your skincare routine is cleansing, and I'm going to show you how to cleanse your skin properly. First thing, you're going to be needing a gentle cleanser, nothing harsh, nothing serious, just something that can cleanse your skin without stripping your skin of its natural oil. I'm using the Face Facts Hydrating Cleanser. Always apply your face wash or cleanser on a wet face and not on a dry face. Take a pump or two and gently massage that into your skin. Focus on hidden areas like the corners of your nose, the sides of your ears, behind your ears, your jaw lines, your hairline. These places actually hide dirt. Some of you are always in a hurry. Some of you are always in a rush. Where are you rushing to? Ensure to wash your face for 30 to 60 seconds. If your skin isn't properly cleansed, you'll be applying your other skincare products on top of a dirty skin. So ensure to do it properly. After cleansing, rinse thoroughly. Pat dry with a clean towel or allow your skin to air dry. So in this video, I just allowed my face to air dry for a few seconds, and when it was slightly damp, I went in with my toner. Now this is the best way to apply your toner on a slightly damp skin. Now this is where layering comes, and this is also where the confusion starts from. While layering your product, it is best to start from the thinnest to the thickest product. So your water-based products should always come before your oil-based products. Now, can you see how I'm applying my toner? This is a hydrating toner and not an exfoliating toner. The best way is to pour it into your skin like this, or pour it into your palm and gently press it into your skin. I prefer using this method. I really don't understand why people use cotton pad to apply their hydrating toner. Your cotton pad will just end up soaking all the moisture, and your skin will not really get the hydration it needs from your toner. If you're using an exfoliating toner, then you can pour it into your cotton pad and then swipe it gently on your face. That's the best method for applying an exfoliating toner. But for a hydrating toner, just pour it directly on your skin or pour it on your palm and press it into your skin. Now allow your toner to completely dry. Let your skin fully absorb your toner before you go into your next step. Now I had to go close to the camera for you to appreciate my skin and my beauty. The next product is my serum, my vitamin C serum. Now after your toner or your essence, go in with your treatment serums. Your serums with active ingredients like retinol, AHAs and BHAs, vitamin C, niacinamide, or any other active ingredients should go in first. So I'm going in with my vitamin C serum. This is the Balanced Active Vitamin C Serum. I'm going to apply just 2 to 3 drops of this serum on my face. Avoid your dropper from touching your face, and then gently rub that into your skin. Also, don't forget your neck, because your neck and your face has to be the same complexion. Let that sit for a few minutes to fully absorb. If you be using a hydrating serum in the morning, you can go in with it after your vitamin C serum. So your serums with active ingredients should come before your hydrating serum. This is the Face Fat Ceramide Serum. I'm going to use it after my vitamin C serum to hydrate my skin and to strengthen my skin barrier. Apply about 2 to 3 drops. Rub into your skin and let that fully absorb into your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Guys, there was a particular time I used a product that burnt my neck. My neck turned very dark that period. I think it was when I was using Skin by Zaron and Alpha every day. Those 2 products damaged my skin barrier. I didn't do too much to brighten my neck. I only applied the products I was applying on my face or my neck, and that was it. After all your serums, then comes your moisturizer. If your skin is well hydrated, you can skip your moisturizer in the morning and just go in with your sunscreen. But if you feel the need to still use your moisturizer moisturizer, it is completely fine. This is the Face Fact Wonder Cream. Now, the correct way to apply your moisturizer is to pick the amount you need, apply dots on your face, and then gently spread it into your skin. If you've been massaging your face moisturizer into your palms before applying it on your face, you've only be wasting your moisturizer. Your palms would end up absorbing everything and only a little will go to your face. You let that sit in for about 1 to 2 minutes to fully absorb, and then you go in with the last step, which is your sunscreen. You see this particular one, this is where most people make mistakes. It has come to my notice that this is how some people apply their sunscreens. Sunscreen is not your moisturizer, so don't apply it like a moisturizer. I know that it is pricey, but for your sunscreen to give you full protection from the sun, you need to apply the adequate amount. So if you've been applying your sunscreen this way, you've been doing it wrong. Now, here is the right way to apply your sunscreen. We are going to use the 3-finger rule. This is not enough sunscreen for your face. This is also not enough sunscreen for your face. This is the adequate amount of sunscreen for your whole face. So if you always get confused of the adequate amount of sunscreen your face needs, just use this 3-finger rule. Now, spread that gently on your skin. Did you hear me? I said spread, not rub. Sunscreen is meant to sit on your face like a mask. Rubbing it into your skin will only end up wasting it. So spread that gently and ensure that you've applied your sunscreen on all parts of your face. Don't forget your eye area. This is why some of you have dark eye circles, because your sunscreen is not touching your eye area at all. So get a sunscreen that doesn't sting your eye. That way, applying it on your eye area will not be challenging. By the way, this is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. Other than the fact that sometimes it can be too oily for my skin, this is hands down one of my favorite sunscreens. Don't forget your neck too. Your neck deserves some sunscreen. We are all done. Now, this is how your face should look like after applying your sunscreen. As long as you're using a good sunscreen, just let it sit on your skin like this. It might take some time. You can stay close to a fan for faster absorption, but there's absolutely no need rubbing that into your skin. Give it time. Once it fully absorbs into your skin, it's going to turn clear. Now, can you see how it's gradually absorbing into my skin without touching it? If you'll be going out, apply your sunscreen 15 minutes before leaving the house, before stepping out of your house. It takes 15 minutes for your sunscreen to absorb into your skin and form a protective layer. All these things might seem minor or irrelevant, but trust me, it is the main reason why people complain of getting dark even after using sunscreen. Using insufficient amount, rubbing it into their skin instead of just spreading it, and going under the sun immediately after application. After some few minutes, it has absorbed into my skin. Now I can rub the excess into my skin. If I had waited a little more, trust me, everything would have fully absorbed into my skin. But I was kind of in a hurry, so I just had to rub the excess into my skin. All done. I think I have to change my name to Gloria, because what? Can you see the glow? Can you see the glow? Wear your sunshade so let me not blind you. So guys, this is the proper way to apply your skincare products. If you follow these steps, you use the right skincare products for your skin concern and your skin type, you must definitely see results. Definitely. So if you found this helpful, if you've learned something new today, don't forget to like and drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're a new subscriber, please don't leave here without hitting the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.